And action.
You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams.
Alright, hey guys, so we quickly wanted to hop on
because we had an idea of revamping, giving our apartment a facelift.
Yes.
Not a facelift, a facial.
Yes. Because we've been here now for like 4 years. We've had the same exact apartment. And all the stuff we have in here as decoration, as stuff we use every day, we've had for 3 years. 3 or 4 years. So, it's time to start
Change it up. So we bought a few things. And we just wanted to show you what we got and just take you through. Maybe we can make it like a series, like we'll do an apartment tour and we have a few other things that we want to change and we'll just keep making videos about them. And we're just like into decorating and fashion and like stuff like that. So it's just fun for us to film it and take you guys along for the journey.
Yeah, and we want to just kind of like see what looks good, you know, and like what's practical for us that we use every day.
Let's start. You want to start with the boring stuff?
Yeah, okay, so some of the stuff is kind of boring. So let's just like throw that in there so you guys can see what we use just for fun. So one of our favorite brands is Nexus that we use. And this is just the Pro Men shampoo and the Pro Men conditioner. So we put these in the shower and everyone is free to take.
Pump it out.
Pump it out.
Well, another thing that we all do is shave our legs and armpits occasionally.
If you want to.
Shave your legs if you want, shave your legs if you don't. Sometimes I don't, get a little lazy, whatever. No hate, no harm, no foul. So we picked up more razors because we do like the Gillette brand. We just have the handles and we buy the disposable heads just because it's more cost effective.
We also find that men's razors are usually a little bit sharper. So
that's the tea, sis.
Use it. And we also need new cutting boards, super boring. But we just, also all this stuff is from Target. We forgot to mention that. This is basically a Target haul. A lot of, either we're using TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Target for our home necessities. So we share these. These are just gonna go in the cabinet in the kitchen.
It's just a set of 3 because they have the small, medium, large, and they're just easy, dishwasher safe. Like if you're cutting meat, you don't want to be cutting your veggies on the meat, so you need a separate cutting board. And just like, if we're all cutting.
Who's entertained? Anyone? Me.
Ninja. Whisk. Can't go wrong with that.
We like eggs.
I don't whisk my eggs with a whisk.
What do you whisk it with?
A fork.
Alright, well, we like to bake. I don't fucking know. A whisk
we just got
important.
this nice rubber grip. You know, it's got that nice angle. You could grip it.
Ooh.
Just
alright, it's getting weird now.
Flick it now. Just
flick of the
It's just very comfortable for my baking hands.
Gotta get a whisk.
So, on the kitchen theme, new pot. We just grabbed this one. It's got the nice handle so it doesn't get too hot, you know, and perfect for pasta. Anything you want to throw in there. Water, boil it up, mac and cheese, cook it up. So
another thing that you guys will see when we actually show you our apartment is our bedroom lighting is horrible, but that is where all of our makeup is. So we need to readjust the lighting in there so that we can all apply our makeup and not, you know,
look ugly.
Because that's awesome.
Lighting is key. Lighting is key.
We actually, we basically had 2 like twisty like light fixtures that we attached to the bunk bed sides, but somebody broke them, so we needed to pick up new ones. So we went with the LED clip lamp from the Room Essentials brand that they have at Target, and we're hoping that we can attach it to the side of the bunk bed.
So then we got this lamp. Want to tell them about this one?
Oh, sure. So on the same topic of lighting, this is going to go on the other side because the mirror is pretty large and there's 3 of us, so you know, can't be like hogging the lighting on one side. So this is again just the Room Essentials LED desk lamp. So we're gonna put that in there as well.
Alright, so more lighting. I had this idea I wanted like big light bulbs around our mirror so we could evenly distribute the light. So then I went on Amazon. So these 2 are from Amazon, but they are these lamps. They're like the Hollywood style, like lamps that you stick onto the mirror, and it comes with a set of 10, but our mirror is really big. So I went with another 10, just in case, and it's
10
primed,
plus
so
10 equals
20, 20, 20, 20. So it's primed, so like if it's too many, we can just return this so easily. But you actually, I'm gonna insert a clip, it might be easier. But this part of the lamp, the back part, sticks on to the mirror, and then you just have the cord that goes through, and it comes with a dimmer as well, which is really nice to have.
Oh, that is fancy.
And they were like 15 bucks or something, they were cheap. So another thing that we got from Target, is this Target or Home Goods?
No, Target. So, okay,
sure
honestly,
Target?
yeah, because remember we went on that whole fucking rant?
Okay.
So, background story is we needed new throw pillows because the pillows that we had on our couch was, like, there was holes in them because, like, we use them for napping and, like, bro, they get dirty.
They were just looking a little gross, so we wanted to revamp. So basically, we're revamping the living room area and also the bedroom area.
For practicality reasons.
Yeah. Just because we like to, and we wanted to start with easy things, so we got new pillows.
And they're pretty,
Show
like,
yours.
fall. They're, like, knit almost. Like, it kind of looks like a sweater material. And they're nice and big, which I love, because my favorite place to nap is the couch.
Oh, cute.
And we just have an all-white couch, along with this, like, neutrally, you'll see in the clips, brownish,
Chair.
pattern chair. So we needed something that was neutral, that went with our brown accents.
Yeah, so we'll show you in the clip our old pillows versus our new pillows. So yeah, let's just get into it. The redecorating process, hands in. 1, 2, 3, redesign.
Right, last but not least, one of the most exciting things that we bought is a new full-length mirror. And the reason we bought this was again for lighting issues, because the light
and for picture opportunities, and just to see.
Oh, 100%. Also, like, as you can see, we're filming in front of a window right now because that's the best lighting. So if we have a mirror to do makeup and to do outfits, it would be a lot easier. And there's 3 of us, so sharing one full-size mirror when we're getting ready is a bit challenging. So we wanted to buy a new one that we could put out here in the living room where the lighting is a lot brighter than the bedroom.
It's like a full-length mirror that we also got from Target, but we wanted to put it in the living room, particularly around the window area, but there's a chair in the way. So we wanted to like show you guys how we would redecorate the room to accommodate this. And yeah, so we're just gonna show you that clip too.
And in general, I feel like we gotta change things up. The next thing's gonna be changing up this mantle here. We have a bunch of Polaroid pictures that we want to actually display somewhere there. That's actually chalkboard paint that we went through a phase of using. But now we would prefer to replace it with like cork or something, so that's gonna be the next project so that we can
stay tuned for that.
put up the
there, put new shit here.